and welcome back. Today we're diving into the versatile and beautiful world of laminates. Whether you're renovating your kitchen or refreshing your furniture, laminates offer endless possibilities. You might think laminates are just for countertops, but they come in a wide range of styles, textures, and colors that can add personality to any space. We'll explore the top 10 types of laminates used in interior design, uncover their unique characteristics, and spark some inspiration for your next project. First up, high-pressure laminates, or HPL. If you're looking for durability, this is it. HPLs are created by fusing multiple layers of craft paper and resin under high pressure and heat. You'll often find HPLs in high-traffic areas like kitchens, offices, and commercial spaces due to their resistance to scratches, heat, and impacts. Brands like Formica and Wilsonart are well known for their HPL products. Next, let's talk about low-pressure laminates, or LPL, also known as melamine. If you're on a budget, LPL is a great choice. While not as durable as HPL, LPLs offer fantastic versatility. You'll typically find LPLs on furniture, cabinetry, and in areas with less wear and tear, providing a smooth, finished look. And the best part? LPL comes in a huge variety of colors and patterns. Decorative laminates are all about adding that wow factor to your space. Transform your walls, furniture, or cabinets with an endless array of colors, patterns, and textures. From wood grains to sleek stones and metallic finishes, decorative laminates let you personalize your space creatively. Textured laminates add a tactile element to your surfaces, going beyond just visual appeal. Imagine surfaces that feel like real wood grain, rough-hewn stone, or soft suede, adding depth and dimension to any space. Acrylic laminates are known for their high-gloss, mirror-like finish that instantly elevates any space. They're like adding a touch of glamour to your kitchen, wardrobe, or furniture. Acrylic laminates are also incredibly durable, resistant to UV rays and moisture, and super easy to clean. Perfect for modern and minimalist interiors. Fire-retardant laminates are treated with special chemicals to reduce flammability, ideal for spaces where fire safety is a concern. Think commercial buildings, kitchens, or areas with strict fire codes. They come in various designs to seamlessly blend into any space without compromising on style. Antibacterial laminates inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi, perfect for spaces where cleanliness is paramount. From healthcare facilities and kitchens to bathrooms, these laminates provide extra protection and peace of mind, available in a variety of styles to complement any design aesthetic. PVC laminates are incredibly flexible and moisture resistant, perfect for kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, and furniture with unique shapes. Available in both matte and glossy finishes, they adapt to your every need. Digital laminates allow you to print any design directly onto the laminate surface, opening up a world of creative spaces with personalized designs. Post-formed laminates are the masters of smooth transitions and seamless curves. These laminates are thinner and flexible, allowing them to be molded around edges and corners without unsightly joints. Imagine stunning curved countertops or sleek, rounded edges on your furniture. Well, friends, there you have it. A whirlwind tour of the top 10 types of laminates used in interior design. Laminates offer the perfect blend of style, durability, and affordability, making them an excellent choice for any space. Thanks for joining me on this design adventure, and be sure to check back soon for more inspiring ideas and tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips and inspiration.